All right, guys, we are very excited to be here with the world famous, authentic Andy Anderson.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. He just happens to be a world famous Olympic athlete.
Well, not yet.
I know. I'm just gonna keep putting it there until it happens. Is that
Speak it
okay?
into existence.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, not yet.
But soon, he will win gold in the Olympics. So today we're gonna play a game of skate. It's Andy Anderson versus all of the Braille team. Because he's so good, we're going to give him SKATE, and we're gonna take skateboard, if that makes sense. So we have more letters because he's too good. So we're gonna Rochambeau and see who goes first. But I have to ask a question of Gabe. So he does a trick, and then do all of us get to try it?
You get one selected
person?
defensive member.
This is where we blow it the hardest.
Yeah.
Dude, this
Maybe
is
I shouldn't say that.
Legion of Doom right here.
Yeah, the Legion
Look
of
at
Doom.
seriously, look at this lineup. Come on, take everyone through it.
Okay, guys, so
What is your name? Introduce yourself.
Man Cub.
Why are you so bad at this, Nigel?
Thank you.
Oh. I give up, dude. What is wrong with you guys?
let me just run everybody.
Oh my God.
My name is Aaron. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Here's my friend Mowgli.
No,
He's from the
no,
jungle.
no.
Here's Nigel. He's from
The jungle.
Livermore or something like that. And here's Uzi. He's from
Discovery Bay. Here's his address. if you
further
wanna follow
out
him.
than Livermore, I think. And here's Glowboarder. He's from the Glow, land of Glow. And here's Luke. He's from
Sweden.
the other side of the bay where rich people live. Oh, and Gabe Cruz, who is from Mexico. Why are you laughing? And authentic Andy Anderson from Canada.
Vancouver.
He says Vancouver, but I found out last night it's really White Rock.
Yeah, but I was born in Vancouver.
Okay, let's go.
All right, Aaron, this is the most important Rochambeau of the year.
We have a
Rock.
special connection because I went to school in Vancouver.
What?
Wait, I have to just read his mind for a minute.
At 3 or go?
You ready?
1, 2, shoot, or 1, 2, 3, shoot.
3.
You guys are reading each other's minds? Yes! Yes! Let's go!
Okay, so for Braille's first trick, we're gonna.
I'm going.
Okay, go.
Oh, did we mention this is anything counts?
Anything.
Oh, okay, sick.
Because you might have thought that some stuff didn't count, but now you know anything counts.
Anything.
We probably shouldn't play anything counts with Andy. No, dude, you're gonna fall.
I think I'm gonna. You were
Where are you going? You'd think he's a free skater, but he's not. He's an electric free skater. You guys thought you were on Braille Skateboarding channel. You realize you're on.
Braille mode kick.
Oh my gosh, just film it. Andy Anderson literally has the best balance on a skateboard in the entire world, but this is another universe.
Oh!
Dang! Had it. That was actually very close.
Good job letting me piss him off on the first trick of the game.
I know. Now we're gonna lose.
All right, who's first?
No, I'm just kidding. I feel bad giving him a letter on that. That was just a gag. No letters.
It's good. Now I know how the game works.
Do not let him
no.
destroy us.
Oh no. You guys literally cannot miss a trick.
I think we pick you, dude.
I literally took 12 tries to do that.
I know, but now you've done it, you know.
If you want me to.
I mean,
Why? What do you want to do? Speak your mind.
Anything counts, right?
anything counts.
Oh, you're a vert skater though, dog.
You gonna hit a certain mark on the wall?
Let's go 10 and a half.
I don't know if I can fairly judge 10 and a half exactly.
Do you want me to say
Just
10?
get both over 10.
Yeah, both over 10.
All right, he has to get front and back wheels both over 10. His flat part has to be over 10.
Okay.
Dan, you're judging this.
Okay, good. I'm on his team.
You're letting Dan, who doesn't know how to read letters, let alone numbers, judge a numbers drill.
He does have a college degree.
That's true.
No,
You made it.
he didn't make
You
it.
said I'm judging.
He wasn't
it
even
was
close.
good.
It literally wasn't even close. You were not even close. You hit like 9 maybe.
Really?
Yeah, I looked the entire time.
Judge of it, and you went way over. You
No,
made it.
no, yeah, I'm sorry.
How are you gonna make me judge and
Alright.
say my judging
Because
doesn't count?
this is exactly why, because you're lying.
You're the one that said I was the judge.
This is why we can't make a video anymore. Go ahead, Andy.
Is that a drywall wall?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm just gonna manual up this manu pad.
Aaron, get warmed up, brother.
Trying to embarrass me.
Ollie up the 3 stair.
Uzi, get ready!
Mowgli's got it.
The real trick is Andy is also a member of Braille, so it's really Braille versus Braille.
Yeah, that's
Like,
true.
come on, let's be real.
So many options. Manual across the second block of the 3 block.
Okay.
Just keep doing the manual tricks, Andy. I want to see Aaron skate.
I don't know why I went so slow.
That's okay.
Pop shot with a 5-stair.
Oh.
Nah, that's not a rebate.
Okay, I have gone. Nigel has gone. Whose trick is it next on offense for Braille?
Mowgli, do a trick.
Anything counts.
Anything.
All right.
Possible. It's one of those things that can go very wrong or just perfectly.
Count it.
You realize he probably literally invented that trick.
I think it's Mike Mo.
I mean, I could send one, and I could
No,
give
no,
it my
you're not gonna
best.
send one. You just gotta land
You
it.
gotta land it.
You better land it.
If AK lands a kickflip, I'll do it, just to motivate me.
Oh, let's get it! Everything you got, Luke!
I mean, technically he just needs to ollie it, but that was good.
Okay, let's do it.
Who's up next? Mowgli and then Glow?
Anything counts.
Mowgli, what are you doing?
You realize that
Anything
he will
counts.
do this with no...
Do like an early grab 360 or something.
Yeah, you gotta like...
Yeah, what are you doing? Look at your-
What do you want me to
look
do,
at your
Andy?
shoulder.
Don't ask
no.
him what... No, what do you do? Why do you not listen to him?
Because I want to ask my opponent. What do you?
Why?
This is why you lost to me in the game of skate on Braille Army. You care too much about what he thinks.
Everyone. It's about having fun. Anyway.
No, I'm out for blood, dude!
It's about having fun. Go ahead. Early grab 360.
I'm not filming this.
I need this on film.
Go. Ask him.
It's not something you see.
Go ahead.
It's something you feel.
Yeah! Yeah!
All right. What do you want me to do?
Flat ground manual.
Couldn't you have said early grab or something?
This line to this line.
He went too far. Dude, he's so good.
Should I just go? I mean, these guys are just making a fool of us.
That was a bad noise.
Buddy! It's okay. We're still in this.
Oh, I thought of a good trick. 1 foot wall ride on the bank to wall.
That was the best attempt you could have given.
Aaron, hit him! Hit him!
Buddy!
You ready for this trick? I don't know what this trick is called, but it's not that hard, but it is hard to understand. So I'm gonna see if you guys can understand this. I'm gonna do it on that mellow bank.
Aaron, I want to see you.
Good or no? What do you mean?
Falling star.
Oh, keep it, keep it! We're ready for you.
Okay. Primo flip.
Where's Carlos?
Somebody's got that.
See, why does everyone get in a primo that way? I get in primo the other way.
Yeah, me too.
Who's the elected? Who's the elected?
Better at primo.
You got it?
Kind of a
It
gamble.
was
Primo has
straight
to
flip?
jump into primo.
He has to jump into primo.
Varial flip.
All right, right here.
Okay, all right. This is it, right here. This is the try.
This is a hard one. This is a Rodney Mullen specialty, but I don't think he did it after the age of 13. So not many people have seen this one. I call it a kangaroo hop. I don't know. I have no idea what it's called. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Yes! Let's go, boy!
Let's try to get this kangaroo hop going.
No!
I'm gonna do flat ground.
Do an
I'm right here.
That's my boy!
Let's go!
That's my boy!
Okay.
Let her! That's a hard one.
That's a hard one. Okay, who do we got?
No!
Every try he lands it, then we film him, misses it.
Okay, front board the handrail.
Let's go!
A wheelie wiper, double wheelie tap to fakie on that quarter pipe.
Who's got that?
Oh! You gotta learn that.
Missed it by that much.
Persistence, that and then 270 out.
I'm so down.
That's
All right,
E, right?
Andy, what's next?
E?
I really want this kangaroo hop.
Get it, boy.
Okay, ready?
Fun.
Not gonna lie, who wants to try?
I want to try it, absolutely.
I mean, I'm the one that did the yoga. Go ahead.
Are you sure?
I feel like Luke could do it.
I feel like Luke
He's the
could do
most
this
flexible out of all of us.
It's all about landing. Oh yeah, you're still
No, we're fine, we're good.
Yes.
How the hell did you get up from this?
You lean back so far that you can't help but the board comes up. You don't want to pull it up. You want to like just want to be in the back seat so that it just.
That was interesting.
That's an interesting one.
I love that trick. It's just so abstract. It's like literally riding your board upside down. Like you're riding the wheels and the board's on the ground. Okay. Okay. Backside 180 anti-flip over the hip. I'm going to frontside big heel over that hip. One rotation of a one-footed 360.
Okay.
Okay.
Impressive.
That was sick. Yeah, the right spot for sure. Transfer from the wall into the quarter pipe.
Dude,
I would rather kickflip the mega ramp than try that.
That's ridiculous.
That's a persistence video.
I do not think people understand how hard that is.
No.
All right, well, we're at R, so you have one letter left. Let's make
Okay.
it a
Okay, this is a very important trick to me. My friend invented it. Not many people have invented a trick, and my friend Eli invented this trick, and it's called a chug.
the chug.
Yeah, like when you chug a drink.
Okay.
Because this is a very important trick to me, and yeah, check it out.
Do you see it?
That's so hard. My brother got a concussion once he did that.
One more time.
Oh, there, that was it right there. I know you wanted to put that in a video.
Yeah, and just for all the kids out there, that's a new invented trick. I find it very hard to claim an invented trick, and my friend Eli came up with that, and it seems so simple, but I've never seen anybody do it, you know? And it's almost a new genre of skating your own self, so you can build off that and make your own trick that
I'm gonna do
nobody
that
else
in a
has
line.
ever done.
In a line.
Right?
Yeah, so
Dude.
sick.
Okay, you know what? Finish this off. Out of nowhere, I'm gonna front foot impossible to 5-stair.
Sounds good. Let's do this.
Respect. Well, it's nice knowing us.
Dang it.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Nobody's ever gonna do that.
No.
Never again.
That's a 4-foot gap, isn't it?
Yeah, and then we got like a piece of wood on the bottom. Like, I don't know how he does that. All right, Luke, you're up.
Show him how it's done, Nigel.
Oh God! Body. Are you good?
Yeah. It's too bad Andy couldn't win against all of us rock stars. We rocked him. An amazing display of skateboard ability. He was going so hard from the get-go.
Yeah, you killed it.
Thank you. That was so much fun.
Oh my gosh. Could you have gone a little harder on us?
Next time for sure. I got you. Thank you.
I'd love
dude.
to see all the creative tricks. I cannot believe you went from that side of the wall to that one.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah. You know, it's just like you go vert and then you're gonna fall on your face But
Yeah,
then you save
that's what I did
yourself
the other
with
day.
that quarter pipe.
I don't get it. Well, a huge thanks to Andy Anderson. You guys got to give him a follow. His social media accounts will be down there in the link in the description below. You should go there because he's got a lot of cool stuff coming up. He's on his path to the Olympics, and we got to cheer him on. We got to say, Andy, you got this. You're learning new tricks. You're going to go and win some contests. Next contest is in Peru.
Yeah, it's true.
We got some exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. Love this guy. Helping me out on my path. Can't thank you enough. Check out Mind Control Products is my clothing company. Hit me up.
Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, they can learn how to ride a skateboard too, right?
Oh yeah, they can.
It's not as hard as you think. It might look really hard, but it's not.
You just gotta love falling.
Do it.